The bool keyword is an alias for the .NET system Boolean structure, which represents a Boolean value of either true or false. The bool type is the result type of comparison and equality operators. A bool expression can be used as a controlling conditional expression in if, do, while, and for statements, as well as in the conditional operator. The default value of bool is false. The true and false literals can be used to assign a value to a bool variable or pass a Boolean value as an argument.